Are you tired of credit cards with complicated reward tiers, sky-high annual fees, and interest rates that make your head spin? It can be tough to find a credit card that offers simplicity, value, and powerful features. That's where the Patriot Bank credit cards come in. Patriot Bank, a community-focused institution, offers cards designed to give you straightforward purchasing power and excellent benefits without the usual complexity. So, let's break down the key features of the Patriot Bank credit card offerings and see why they might be the perfect fit for your wallet. One of the biggest selling points is their commitment to low cost and simplicity. Most Patriot Visa cards boast no annual fee and no balance transfer fee. That means you're not paying just to keep the card open, and you can consolidate debt without getting hit by an immediate transfer cost. Speaking of value, let's talk rewards. Patriot often offers cards with a competitive cashback structure. For example, their Platinum Visa may offer a solid reward rate on your net purchase transactions. This is straightforward cash back on what you buy, easy to earn, easy to redeem, and you don't have to worry about rotating categories or point systems. Beyond the everyday purchases, Patriot cards come stacked with valuable security and convenience features. You get the peace of mind that comes with Visa benefits, which can include services like extended warranty protection and travel accident insurance when you use your card for eligible purchases. For modern convenience, Patriot Bank has you covered. Their cards are ready for contactless payments and integrate seamlessly with digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay, allowing you to pay securely with your phone. And for those moments when you need a new card now, whether it's lost or compromised, Patriot can often issue a replacement card instantly at one of their issuing branches. That kind of immediate, local service is a real advantage of banking with a community institution. Finally, while rates are always dependent on the market and your creditworthiness, Patriot Bank is known for offering competitive annual percentage rates, APRs, on purchases and cash advances for applicants with strong credit. Always check the current disclosures, but this focus on reasonable rates helps ensure that if you do carry a balance, you're not getting penalized with the highest interest charges out there. If you're looking for a credit card that prioritizes low fees, valuable rewards, security, and local convenience, the Patriot Bank Visa cards are a compelling choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.